Okay, today I'm going to do one of my biggest projects, easily my biggest project to date. I'm building a fort for the kids. I swear it's for the kids. It's not just for me. Okay, it's a little bit for me. But it's going to be a big project, and this video might be a little bit scrambled because it's probably going to take me several months to finish, but I'm glad you're here to watch my journey. Every project starts the same way. A trip to Home Depot. Let's go. Okay, this is what it's like having a van instead of a truck. One day maybe, but in the meantime, I have to play all kinds of Tetris and Jenga to be able to get my wood runs done. Fortunately, this is only going to be a little bit of the total amount of wood I'm going to need, but it'll be enough to get started. So, on we go, back to the house.
Before we go any further, I'd like to just give you a vision of what it is I'm trying to build here. This is the fort design. I am building a rocket. It'll be a hexagon body. It'll be about 14 feet tall. Have little fins coming off of it. And inside there's going to be 2 decks. The upper deck will be where all the captain's controls are for the kids. And it's going to be really fun. I'm definitely biting off a lot here. We'll see how it goes. But either way, it should be an interesting ride. Anyways, let's get on with it.
Okay, teamwork makes the dream work, right? Way to go, guys.
Yeah.
Got my awesome helpers. We knocked that out, so now we're gonna go work on getting it installed. Let's go! First wall is up, which means that we must now officially raise the roof. Okay, not the roof. We have to do like 5 more walls, but still. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Hey, thanks so much for watching along. For the sake of the video length, I'm going to cut it right here. And there's going to be a few other installments as I continue to move along with the build. You just sped run through a month of build time with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Up next, we're going to be working on framing up the inside, getting ready to put the roof on, and then in another video we'll probably be focusing more on doing the exterior shell. So far so good, and I hope you tune back in to see what's in store. Till next time.